Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but for downloading the update I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone and then tap on this REALME toggle right here. So your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download and you're good to go. Or the second one where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be tap on download or install somewhere here and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.